Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the Challenger safely. Level ground, parking brake, wheels chalked. Once done, run the engine for 5–10 minutes so oil thins. Make sure it's warm, not scalding. You loosen the oil filler cap to vent the system, then slide your drain pan under the sump. Next, use the correct socket to break the drain plug free. Do this carefully so you don't strip the bolt. You'll want gloves and rags ready to control any spills and inspect the plug washer. You let the oil drain until it slows to an occasional drip, typically 3–5 minutes, then reinstall the drain plug and torque to spec. Once drained, use a filter wrench to break loose the oil filter and remove it straight down to avoid spills. Catch residual oil in the pan. Clean the filter mounting surface with a rag, then lubricate the new filter's gasket with fresh oil so it seats properly. Thread the new filter by hand until snug, then give it another 3/4. You refill with the manufacturer's specified oil amount, pour slowly using a funnel, and wait a minute before checking the dipstick so oil settles. Once done, start the engine for about 30 seconds and watch for leaks at the drain plug and filter. Make sure the oil pressure light goes out. Turn off the engine, wait 2 minutes and recheck the level, top off if needed. If you see persistent leaks or low oil pressure, retorque the plug and filter, and inspect the gasket or sealing washer for damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.